Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Ashimary here for sending this beautiful wig, Beauty with No Limits. Let's go inside. And it's a colored wig, which is super beautiful. Alright, let's see all the goodies. I think this is look at that. We have a necklace, lashes, edge brush, eraser, wig band, edge band, sorry, and some HD cap. Now this is the wig and it is so cute. It is well packed. This is the first time I believe I'm gonna wear a color like this, but let's check it out. Okay guys, it is time for us to do this install. My hair look crazy, but it's about time. I'm scared. I don't know. This is a full lace wig and I feel like I just wanted to do like a freelance hairstyle. So let's see, my hair really needs to redo. I did add oil on my hair, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to take care of that. Alright, let's see the wig. It's right here. I brushed out the curls. It is so, the way they curl this wig, like I don't feel like I really want to add anything to it. Maybe like at the front. But they did an awesome job with curling this hair. Yeah. So, let me see. Let me kind of extend this. I'll be rocking side part. I really feel like I want to do a side part too. I'm just trying to see if I have to fix the cap because I really don't want to cut the cap or anything like that. We definitely need a cap, so I don't know. What do you guys think so far? Alright, so we definitely need a cap, so I am going to do this. Now it's gonna take a little bit more time, but hey, so let's do the cap and I'll be back. Alright guys, let's install. The cap is on. I did add a little bit of glue, not a lot, because this is a full lace and I wanted it to be so snug. So So let's measure this. Oops. Oh, Wolverine on you. Oh my god, what did I do? Oh. We're still gonna spray it because I just did one toops. It's not even a full layer of glue, to be honest.
Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Honey, how present turns past. I'm a fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare. Don't mesmerize by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly.
Alright, so everything is done. So we're gonna tie this down and then cut the lace. That's the first thing we're gonna do.
You make me feel so primal. That's what I am. I'm just a man. Take that pussy, drop it
And then I'm gonna pin these up and then cut the lace, and I will be, yeah, so basically this is real simple. I want to leave out some of it, so we're gonna do that and cut the lace.
Now I'm snapper too. Look at all the cash I blew. Rippers out in Vegas, still want us too. Booty's just no shade. Like the silvers do. All these on the tools, they not one or two. Now I'm snapper too. Look at all the cash I blew. Strange new addictions, up on the road. Change my opinion, change on my flows, change my approach. Up in these hoes and play. It rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel so prominent. That's what I am.
So everything is on. We're gonna go in with the hot comb. I think I want to do a no part type of flex, like something like this, even if there's a part like just a little bit. Let's see. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna add some curls to it, redo some curls. So that's what we're gonna get into. All right guys, makeup is done. Let's see. Oh, is that fall off? So I guess we are a no baby ear type of bae. You guys be killing me when I do the baby ear. I know you guys don't like it, but yeah, sometimes I just feel like I want baby ear. So this wig, because it's so much, I don't think the color is loud. I was absolutely scared, to be honest, of the color and everything, but it came out so cute. When I tell you, because I wanted bigger curls, this is the first wig that I've received with a curl pattern that I actually like. Every other wig, I feel like I need to do something to it. So this is everything. Thank you so much to Ashimary here for sending this wig. I think it was 26 inches, but knowing me, I like to go in and cut down my wigs so they look super cute. So we went in because the big curls that I wear, I kind of like when the hair is like that. So with that being said, we went in a little. I'm gonna add some oil, just a little bit of oil, just to bring everything together, because we're keeping it with the loose curls. I really do like it like this, especially because it's a loud color here. All right, there we go. All right guys, let's get into the slow-mo. The ear details will be here. We do have a discount code for you, so you can purchase this wig. It is beautiful, really easy to install. I like it. No baby ear. You guys love the no baby ear, and I'm starting to love it, to be honest. I was like, with the baby ear, it's like, you know, it's pretty perfect. So this is it. Let's get into the slow-mo. By the way, what do you guys think? It fit my face or not? Let's get into the slow-mo, and the ear details will be down below. So let's keep it cute. How cute is that? Oh, yes. So thanks again to Ashimary here. Let's get into it. You ready?